is this about political differences? And can Arvind Kejriwal sit in judgment about an assault that happened in his residence, probably in his presence? Or at least it was his residence. Who else is responsible for a woman getting assaulted in his own house? And can Arvind Kejriwal sit in judgment? Why has there been no case? Because in this case, many people are saying the culpability is of the chief minister who should have registered a complaint. If Swati Maliwal is scared, as her ex-husband says, there is threat to her life, then shouldn't Arvind Kejriwal be registering a case if somebody else has assaulted a lady member of parliament belonging to his party in his own house? Gaurav Bhatia?
Navika, absolutely. This mystery is growing larger day by day, and it's a very, very serious thing because it's a criminal offense that has been committed. The residence belongs to the Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal, and now it is also clear that under his instructions only, in his presence, a woman's dignity has been violated. It is an offense, and thus an FIR needs to be registered. The question is, अभी ये जो कह रहे थे पॉलिटिकल एनालिस्ट साहब कि जोश में हो गया, क्या जोश में एक महिला के साथ उत्पीड़न होगा? And the chief minister of a state of Delhi, who has taken oath of the constitution to protect the principles enshrined there, therefore also protect the dignity of a woman, will remain quiet. Why has he not spoken? When he was released on interim bail, he did a press conference. Now the entire country is waiting to hear from him. What has transpired? Where does he stand? What has the Aam Aadmi Party done so far? Why no complaint, as rightly asked by Navika? And it is a matter of a breach of privilege of a member of parliament, and thus even the House and the chairperson of the House should, and I'm sure will, take cognizance of this. There is another example, Navika, Somnath Bharti, who is a candidate. His wife also made these charges that he used to assault her, physically abuse her. So has it become a trait of the Aam Aadmi Party not to respect the women in the party and to physically abuse them and then pressurize them to not take recourse to law? And that is why this is very serious. And the Bharatiya Janata Party today was raising this issue. The women of the Bharatiya Janata Party were protesting, and it was so heartening to see that we can keep our political differences aside, but we will always fight for a woman's dignity.